Beauty lovers, get ready to glow like never before. The wait is over for anyone tired of orange disasters, short-lived color, or that dreaded cookie-like fake tan smell. The b.tan Dark and Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tan Kit Besties bundle is taking the self-tanning world by storm, and it's here to solve all your tanning problems in one easy kit. This hot new bundle features two powerful 6.7 fluid ounce tanning mousses, plus a premium applicator mitt glove. One mousse delivers a super fast, rich dark tan in just 1 hour, while the other keeps your glow going strong for days. The result? A deep, natural-looking, sun-kissed bronze that looks like you just got back from vacation, without stepping outside or damaging your skin. Why everyone's talking about the b.tan Besties bundle right now. Ultra dark and buildable glow. Achieve that tanned AF look fast. Develop in 1 hour or leave on longer for even deeper color. Long-lasting magic. Special formula helps your tan stick around up to 11 days with proper care. No more fading after just a couple showers. Zero fake tan smell. Finally, fresh, clean scent instead of that weird, sugary smell everyone hates. Streak-free and foolproof. Lightweight mousse plus included mitt equals smooth, even application every single time. No patches, no lines. Skin-loving and gentle. Moisturizing ingredients keep your skin soft and hydrated. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and safe for face and body. Perfect for all skin tones. Buildable color that looks natural and radiant, not orange or fake. How to get that flawless glow in minutes. Exfoliate and shave the day before for smooth results. Apply the mousse with the mitt in gentle circular motions. Wait 1 hour or up to 8 for extra dark results. You can even sleep in it. Rinse and moisturize daily to make your tan last even longer. Pro tip, mix the two mousses together for the perfect custom dark and ultra long lasting glow. Whether you're prepping for a vacation, wedding, date night, or just want to feel confident and glowing every day, this bundle is the game changer beauty fans have been waiting for. No more stressful tanning sessions or disappointing results. Just easy, healthy, head-turning radiance at home. The b.tan Dark and Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tan Kit Besties bundle is flying off shelves. If you've ever struggled with self-tanners, this is the one that finally gets it right. Ready to glow up? Grab your Besties bundle through Spark Trove Trends today and join the thousands of happy tanners showing off their results. What's your biggest self-tan struggle? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. I love you all. Stay sparkly and trendy. Trendy Wendy for Spark Trove Trends.